Hello guys, how to create stock market predictor by Lstm model. Example, Egyptian stock market on Colab, on Google Colab. So before we go to this video, please subscribe in the channel to reach every important video upload and press like. You don't lose this, you don't lose anything, and we can get on search engine like Google and YouTube and be famous. Please don't hesitate to ask any question and I will reply you as soon as possible. So in this model I will show you, this is it's II model, help you to predictor where is the direction of your stock market. You can replace this stock market from Egyptian stock market in this example to your market, Nasdaq or Dow Jones or DAX or FTSE or Nikkei, the Japanese market, any market in any country. Just you replace in the code I will show you, and you can detect and predict where is the direction of this market going. So please press like, you don't lose anything. With you, engineer and educator Osama Ghandour. Let's go and show you how to do this. Here I'm using the Colab, Google Colab, and this is very important libraries. I should download this number libraries and bundles libraries and the iOS for dealing with the files, created files, importing and exporting files and saving files. Okay, this is the first thing. The second thing is this library, open Python XL. It's dealing with the Excel file, how to deal with Excel file smoothly with no errors. And then we have to pip install Keras. This very important for the AI and model machine learning. So first of all, you have to, this file is very important. This is one of your market. So this is for EGX market. This is the stock market of Egypt, where in January, in this year, January 2025. So this file you have to download it according to your country market. Then you will put the path of this file on the file path. Then you have to download the data and save it in the data variable. So you use pandas dot the function read Excel, and now all the data is here in this variable. You can show you the shape of this data, how many columns, how many rows, and you can print the head, just the upper 5 rows of this database. And you can fetch and print the columns, how many columns and what are the columns: stock, sector, currency, bar value, shares, bid, capital, open price, highest price date, lowest price, and so on. Then go ahead and next. So you have to import also matplot library and Python. All these are Python libraries. Okay, so you have to know exactly really good knowledge about Python and programming by Python. This for showing the relationship between the open price and the time sequence in time. Okay, so here we have the relation. To show you in a graph, we have to download matplot and use it as BLT. And we have also to download and import this sklearn. This for learning, for machine learning, for learning this AI model which we are creating now for prediction. So Keras also models, this sequential. So we are doing the relationship between time and the open price or the close price or any any variable or any column in the database. So here also very two important libraries. It's in Keras layers, Lstm and Dennis. These are very important libraries. Then this is the function where we here we ensure that it has date and close colon by this one. So in the highest price date, we will ensure that it's date, not a character value. Okay, so we convert it to date time. Okay, and here data dot sort values, we will sort according to highest price date, and close price. Okay, we have to ensure that it's values, and we will reshape the prices to be between -1 and 1, from -1 to 1. Okay, this is very important for reshaping this one. Then normalizing the data scalar using minimum maximum scalar, and then scale data scalar fit transform close prices. Now we create sequence. We have two variables here, n time steps. This is the number of days, backward days, so we are computing for 60 days. And in features, you are only selecting one feature, which is the close price. Okay, so now we have two arrays, x array, which is a feature, y array, which is output. Okay, so here we will fill this array, this opened array. Okay, no items in it, so then will we append. So I creating for loop I a range of n time steps, which is 60 days, will then scaled data. So then x append scaled data I minus n times I 0. Okay, so then y append اللي هو scaled data I 0. Now why this is just only one variable, but this is x many variables. So here we have a list x y, convert from list to array using the num by array function. Then we are reshaping x. Okay, and then split for the train and the test. So x train size is 0.8 of all data. Okay, times the len of x. Okay, تمام. Len of x, which is all the data, how many rows, 1000 rows. Okay, so I will take 800 of this as train size. Then the x train x test, this function. Okay, and then y train y test, the remain, which is from item 0 till item 20 or 200. Okay, in this example. Then the model, which is a sequential, and here model add, we will add using the function Lstm this characteristics, and add Dennis the other function. So one, and model compile, we are compiling the model. So we now define the model اللي هو Lstm model. Then we will train the model using the data for training using this function, the x train and y train and all this. Then we will predict. Let's predict the model, predict using x test. So we will get y according. So predict here scalar inverse transform predict reshape. Then actual equal scalar inverse transform. We have actual data here. Then we will figure and plot the relationship between the actual and predicted. Okay, the actual and the predicted. So we have the actual here and the predicted here. Okay, so the actual will be in blue color while the predicted will be in red color. Okay, so this is all about this predictor. Please don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply you as soon as possible. And press like, you don't lose anything, and share the video with others so they can ask us, and I will reply all of you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's go.